Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another tutorial. I hope you all are finding it cool and having chill. So first, subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you another beautiful style of turban, and that is my favorite style. I'm trying two colors here. So let's start this tutorial right now.
Pull the trigger, ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. So till my next tutorial, Allah Hafiz.